So nindot siya, nindot carpet, dire lingkuranan. Pero ang nakaproblema ani kay low ceiling. So here's the room. Okay, try ito. Ayos no. So okay, and then the key card. Here is the key card. Ayun. Tapos tingnan ng CR no. Okay, so maganda yung CR. Nindot ang CR no. American Standard. Tapos American Standard yung bowl. How about the shower? Ayos yung shower no. Stainless steel, maraming mga sabon no. So candidate tomorrow candidate yan for of course no sa bag no. So okay no. Yan no. May safety deposit box, yan, may emergency escape. Tapos ano pa? Yan. Okay. So bed, TV, bed, long bed. That's my working area. And labas.